I'm Jonesy. I'm 61 years old, and after decades under the neon lights of Las Vegas, I'm finally stepping into my own light. I've lived a lot of lives, from 20 years in the air as a flight attendant to fronting my own band on the Vegas Strip. But after deep loss and the weight of menopause, I almost lost my spark. Today marks a new chapter. I'm 9 months sober, I'm officially pill-free, and I'm returning to the science of peptides and clean living to reclaim my health. I'm not a doctor, I'm a survivor, rebuilding from the ground up. If you're ready for your own second act, hit subscribe. We're just getting started.